Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to fix Beats Solo 4 only one side not working. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in this case, if you're having problems with your headset here and Beats Solo 4 is only working on one side, where there are going to be a few things that you could try doing here. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to basically reset your headphones. So in this case, you want to turn on your headset here by holding the power button until the white light turns on. Now keep holding this or keep holding the power button for about like 10 seconds more until the indicator starts blinking red and then to white. Now, once you see it start blinking white, you want to release the button, and in this case, it means that the headphones are now in pairing mode. Now, you can go and just try pairing this with your phone, laptop, or any other device out there and see if your headphones only has a problem on one device. Now, in this case, you may want to play some audio here and see if both sides are working. Now, if resetting doesn't fix it, then the issue could be something hardware related. So in this case, you may need to reach out to Beats support. So you may want to check your warranty. So you might be eligible for replacement here, or in this case, some free repair from support. And also, you may want to visit a professional repair service to see if they can fix it for you. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.